Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily watch YouTube offline videos. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments after watching, and let us get started with you. So friends, when you want to watch some YouTube offline videos, you'll have to download the videos first. How to do that? First of all, friends, open the YouTube app, select any video that you want to watch or like. Then at the bottom under the video, scroll down to this menu and select Download here. Click. And as you can see, you'll get this blue tick like this, which means that this video is uploading. And when you have a check mark like this, it means that the video is uploaded. But how do you find it on YouTube? For that, friends, you'll need to go to your YouTube page and then scroll down a little bit and you can find the saved or downloaded one. And when you open it, you will be able to find here the video that you have saved. And you can easily watch those videos when you don't have internet. You can't watch videos online, but you can easily watch those videos on YouTube. But I will say that those kinds of videos, they're not downloaded on YouTube. I mean, look, when you save them, they only stay on that device where you saved them. So, for example, if you have YouTube on some other phone, or on a laptop, on a tablet, then, for example, on another device, you will not be able to find the same videos that you downloaded to your phone. For other devices, you will have to download either the same videos or other videos separately, so that you can watch them offline. Friends, this is the way you will be able to watch videos offline on YouTube. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please put your likes, write your comments, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.